In February of 2022, we unveiled MissionNext, an overarching vision for the future of Superior Essex Communications through 2030 and beyond that will guide our organization's development into a more sustainable, transparent, and innovative future. MissionNext revolves around three core value areas: integrated solutions, how we plan to develop a vibrant culture of collaboration within our teams internally and through our ecosystem of partners externally. Sustainable innovations, how are we going to continue pioneering new sustainable solutions that reduce the impact we have on the environment, people, and within our supply chains to support our customers' ever-evolving sustainability goals. And expansive technologies, how are we going to innovate to stay on the cutting edge and remain the reliable choice to our customers now and into the future? We are very excited to embark on this holistic shift as an organization and are proud to be offering products made by a company who is committed to sustainable action.